Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of the Matsai sisters. So guys, this episode starts off with, or it continues. Remember the last episode Upumzile had a conversation and Utoba decided to confront, or not confront, but rather pull aside Upumzile to have a conversation with her, to tell her Utupela our uncle is going to have umcimbi for the twins. So the episode starts off there. So remember Upumzile, she starts crying, you guys. She walks off and she starts crying because she's feeling overwhelmed. Hi. So some of the sisters, they come over, like one friend or one person was planning the event with Upumzile comes to her and says, why are you crying like Kinga? And Upumzile is like, no, I don't want to talk about it now. And I loved that. So whoever that lady was, she respected that. Because sometimes guys, like lento yokuthi ufostele umuntu akhulume wes uphambi kwabantu, like what's the point? If umuntu is saying they don't want to talk about something, myekele at her event, let her calm down so that she can get back to the things she needs to do. So anyway, then the other sisters, some of the sisters come over and they ask Phumzile, why are you crying? Like event yakho, like why are you crying? I get then Utoba comes over and Utoba starts explaining, hi, Phumzile is crying because Pela ubaba umkhulu wethu, our uncle Lomdala, she says ukuthi like she's hurt by, the way our uncle treated us when ubaba, the time ubaba wethu washona and whatnot, and like there was too much drama with that. So Utogo was explaining that, and I must say guys, timing at Togo, maybe guys that Alin Arabonang Wuti, maybe timing was not right. Maybe she didn't even know Wuti this conversation was going to be a trigger for Upumzile. So I can't blame her. But at a certain point I did blame her, and we'll get to that. So Upumzile in her diary session says indeed Wututobo bengana timing, like to invite you, we event your muntu uzosupport umuntu, then you wanna bring up your conversation as sona. Phumzile says ukuthi she feels like this topic engakhulunywa ekuseni nidla amagwinya, like it's that type of topic to be spoken about in the comfort of your home. In the comfort of your home, not while already stress, guys, and you're at an event. Upumzile goes on to say that in all honesty, she didn't think that this conversation was going to trigger her. She thought that she was over, like yonkinto, like whatever her uncle did and how he hurt her, but I guess apparently not, guys. Then while bekhuluma kanjalo ke, the mother comes over, and when the mother comes over, she's like, ayibo Phumzile, inyembezi, like ezani inyembezi, when you are at your event, people are waiting for you, bamengawe type of thing. But now it's starting to feel overwhelming because everyone like is coming, like everyone's coming and asking one of the same thing. Like, you know what I would have appreciated from Mutobo? I feel like when she saw that Upumzile was not fine, guys, she should have just cut that conversation. Even when people came and asked Utukalelani, she should have just said Engzon Jenna later. Because now the other sisters are coming, the mother's coming, Utobo Naya is entertaining this, she's re-explaining all of this all over again. Now it's creating a drama, which is something's happening there with the family. I don't think that was fair on Upumzile, and I feel like Utogo had control of that, but I guess angazi guys. Upumzile in her diary session also says ukuthi these four scheme. So when she said ukuthi laba bayi-4 scheme, I don't know if she's referring to her 4 sisters, uthi the 4 of them scheme and they're against her, or she's adding her mother. I don't know, but she says that she feels like they were setting her up for failure because guys, she says ngikwi event, I'm at an event, and what you guys are doing, you guys are just bombarding me. And indeed guys, like they should have just bamshaiso or moya or something like that. I get while Upumzile is there now, it's some of the sisters, it's the mother, the rest of the other sisters decide to join in. When they join in babuzeke nabukuthaibo Upumzile, their Tobo is re-explaining the whole situation all over again. So anyway, Upumzile just walks off and she's like, you know what? Like, because the mother was saying something about Phumzile, like this is your event, and yes, Utobo said whatever, but you need to support your sisters and whatnot. And then Phumzile was like, hey, I don't have time for this. I don't want to talk about this now. Give me space. And she walked off and she left the siblings there. So get Uzandile now, because Zandile was one of the siblings that came like last. Her and her twin, they came last. So she's like, so when Togo explained everything, which why Ekala Upuzile, Uzandile is like, I bo maranina like ani bon lentengi bonai. Like many beggy lento, don't you really think? Or don't you really see what Upumzile is trying to do? That this whole thing is not about Ubaba Mkhulu. This whole thing is not about him at all. So Zanele, who's the twin, she says, Aibo, Kanti, like, what is it about? Then Uzamtile is like, I please, like, alungiegele, because the way Uzanele like said it, it's like Begafunum Kuzu, don't try and say anything funny about Upumzile. So anyway, uZanele is like, uZandile says ukuthi hayi wena bengicela ukuthi ungiyeke ngikhulume, like in fact wena Zanele usile wena, saying ukuthi usile for trying to silence him. She goes on to say, uZandile guys, goes on to say ukuthi like can't you see ukuthi uPhumzile, like everything's about her. Like akafuna abantu ukuthi balungelwe. That's why ekwatile. She's not angry ngendaba yokuthi umalume he treated us in a bad way and all of that. No, she's angry because uzwile ukuthi unomsebenzi esizo that's going to be done for us. And akafuna ukuthi abanye abantu balungelwe. I'm just like, Zandile, don't you think that is too much to say? But anyway, she's like, Upumzile, vele, like life is all about her. Like that's Mina. That's just the way I'm seeing this whole thing. Then uZanele then says ukuthi hayibo bengicela ukuthi simnikeze isikhathi, she needs time, because ngempela guys, we don't process things ngendlela efanayo. Sometimes like something might seem like very small and I'm like ngayidlulisela leyo nto because it's small, but to the next person it causes a trauma, so asifani. So as uZanele is like besicela ukuthi asimnikezeni isikhathi and whatnot, they talking lapho guys, they talking now. The mother has walked off, it's only the siblings left there, Utogo, the twins, and then Ubusi, the four of them. They talking guys, while Upumzile is I don't know where, and I felt like that's inappropriate. You can't ngeke ngithi mina ngine event nine nibambe umcimbi wenu, a meeting umhlangano wenu, they khona talking about me. That's disrespectful. uZandile then says ukuthi like asinaso isikhathi thina njengoba you say we must give it time, thina asinaso isikhathi, we don't have time ukuthi sinesa ama feelings wakhe. Like lo msebenzi is about me and you Zanele, abantu like abafunekayo by that lo mcimbi that's going to be done yimi nawe. If people decide to come, they will come. If they don't decide to come, they won't come. Like she goes on to then say ukuthi nina like aniyiboni lento. She wants you all vele ukuthi nimnesa my feelings, and nina nizowanesa my feelings because vele nimncengile or something like that. Then uZanele then says ukuthi like uyakhala manje, like, and like this is her event, so let's just leave this guys. Ubusi, because she was one of the people who came late, she was like ayibo uyakhala uyakhala uPhumzile. And then she's like, yo, weak, shame. And then everyone starts laughing. I'm like, how is that a laughing matter? Are you saying your sister is weak just because she's crying over something that's triggering her? But anyway, everyone's convinced, guys. They know their sister. Maruzandile says, this is not about being weak. Dramatic. Upumzile dramatic. I do want to say Upumzile is dramatic, guys. But when it comes to sensitive issues, guys, like you can't say because you don't know how they're feeling. So I felt like it was a bit insensitive. Even if Upumzile rewatched that is not nice, guys. I came after some time after that party, that event ka Phumzile, then uZanele decides to call uZandile aside. Now I think I must explain the difference, guys. There's uZanele and uZandile. Uzanele is the chubbier twin, and she's the much more calmer twin between them. Mara uZandile is the one who was busy saying, "Uti, hayu pumzini ufuna ukunesa my feelings, guys. Don't you see uti what she was doing? Uti, it's all about her. She's the one ophezulu." So uZanele was the one ophansi. She decides to call uZandile to the side and have a conversation with him. So uZanele then calls uZandile and she's like mina nginenkinga nawe, and like inkinga yami ukuthi wena uyathanda uku-attacka uphumzile. So uZandile then goes on to say ukuthi mina like attack uphumzile, no, inkinga yakho wena Zanele ukuthi awulaleli. Like ngikhuzile once and many times, like one thing about you, unaive wena. Telling her sister ukuthi naive. So Zanele is like, "I boy, you can't say that. That's harsh. You can't say ukuthi like I'm naive while I'm calling you, trying to correct you, ukuthi you are being like that was unnecessary. You were attacking Upumzile by saying those things at her event in front of everyone." I get so then Uzandile is like, no, I can't say that you're naive. I can't say you're naive because vele you are naive. Zandile goes on to say ukuthi wena like awufuni ukulalela. You just choose to see what you want to see. Like you like awunamsebenzi yokuthi like who's right, who's wrong. Like inkinga yakho ukuthi like you ufuna ukuthandwa kakhulu Zanele. And I'm just like, so Zanele just says, "With it mina, the only thing I was asking is that give Upumzile time. She was hurt, she was crying. That's all I was asking, that give her time, but not saying the things that you were saying." Zandile goes on to say, "With Zanele, like what time? What time must we give her? Because she doesn't want to come to the event." Zanele then says ukuthi like you can't control ukuthi abantu bafila kanjani. You can't control people's feelings, and you cannot be too harsh on everything. Like when you're being too harsh on everything, urasa like umuntu akayizwa lento ikhulumayo even if ukhuluma iqiniso. And that's true, guys. Mawurasa like it's just like you make that person to go into defense mode and angeke ayizwe lento ikhulumayo even if ukhuluma into right. So uZandile then says to her sister, "Uchi, you know what, sis wam, uba naive kwakho is your weakest point. Every time ufuna ukuthandwa and you always want to play it safe, and I always warn you about this thing." Then Uzanele then responds and then says, "Okay, since you talking about my weak point, your weak point ukuthi wena you don't see the good in people because you are too hurt. You are too hurt, Zandile. You are hurt and you are damaged." As for damaged, guys, you are damaged when you don't care about my feelings abantu. You ruthless, you heartbroken when. Then Uzanele continues to say ukuthi mina ngihlala nophumzile endlini. Ngeke ngizelana and then come and fight with her. When I'm or come and take your side, then when I'm you go back to your place. Now I'm stuck with Upumzile. So when you want me to side with you, but what am I siding with you for? What am I siding with you for when I'm the one who's staying no Pumzile? Uzandile says in her diary session that, "Listen, mina no Zanele, we've been twins forever. We went to grade R together. We did everything together. We went to matric together. We always got along. So manje all of a sudden I noticed ukuthi akasalithathi isayidi lami. And the reason why akasalithathi isayidi lami is because I no longer love with her. Like she's kind of saying ukuthi uZanele uzincengele kuPhumzile." And I'm just like, you see the mentality, guys. I hate that mentality yokuthi just because umuntu you and someone are close kusho ukuthi mela inherite ibeef yakho. That's wrong, guys, and it's awkward to put a person in that situation. It's even worse now. I understand ukuthi amawele, guys, and people say ukuthi bond amawele, like it's like no, like it's really strong, but these are siblings we're talking about. So for uZanele, not uZanele, for uZandile to say ukuthi she wants a sister with her akhethi side like it over, she wants her twin with her akhethi side like it over her sister. It's kind of unfair. If besikhuluma ngomngani, guys, or maybe a cousin, but they are all sisters at the end of the day. So uZandile is wrong for wanting her sister to pick her side. Noba wrong because why did she say something like that about Upumzile? I just feel like it was unnecessary. Okay, but anyway, uNokuzana Zandile says in her diary session ukuthi listen, clearly uZanele, her loyalty lies with uPhumzile, so yena she should just stick with uPhumzile and she should become twins with uPhumzile once. I'm just like itramengada. So guys, uZanele stays with uPhumzile bahlale ekhaya, and then uZandile she stays in her own apartment. Then Zanele says in her diary station that listen, mina angeke shame awungikhere indaba zabantu, that's between them and ngazazi ukuthi ziqale kuphi, they will sort it out. She goes on to say ukuthi mina angiherithi, I don't inherit ibeef yabantu, like she will sort it out noPhumzile. I don't want to be involved, and I think that's such a mature thing to do. But I really, when I was watching it, I thought it was a mature thing to do. But as time went by, I was just like, now I'm questioning it. But you'll understand, guys. So anyway, uPhumzile again. Next scene, uPhumzile, she's out and about. uPhumzile says ukuthi she's an outgoing person. So she's out and about. She's on an ice cream date with her daughter Utum. So Utuma's busy pressing her phone. She's talking about the event with you. The event was so nice. See, the pictures, this event that you are doing, like it's growing and in it. And she's like, yes, got that man. Like there was a part where best unu happy birthday uyo, and you weren't there. And when you came back crying. Like what happened? Like Phumzile spills it all out and says, yazi, uThobo, like angiyazi timing yabo. And I'm just like she says uThobo angiyazi timing yabo, like to include all of them. And I'm like, but it was not necessarily all of them. It was uThobo that started this whole thing. But I agree, Thobo, there was no timing there. She could have limited even that conversation to make sure that it doesn't go further. Ike uPhumzile explains to her daughter ukuthi like nge-event abanga they did all of that, so she re-explains everything ukuthi hey uThobo ngitshele ukuthi malume ini like what not. So the daughter uyafada, she's like ngelanga lakho, she's coming to tell you that ngelanga lakho, like couldn't it wait for the next day or another day? So anyway, uPhumzile goes on to say ukuthi angazi if they were setting me up for failure or what, but something about what they did, I did not like it. And on top of that, even when I went away, they still continued bakubega, like they continued with their conversation and no one came to me to apologize or anything like that. Bakubega or whatever they were doing. Okay, so then uPhumzile says, but anyway, angikho lapho, mina I bought a house. And the daughter's like in disbelief, ni like when and whatnot. Usho ukuthi uPhumzile bekaqinisile guys ukuthi she did not tell anyone, not even her daughter, about this process of her buying a house. So the daughter's shocked ukuthi like, aibo, but she's also kind of like excited about that. So while the daughter's excited about that, uPhumzile says, uyakhumbula ukuthi like there was a time mina nawe was standing and I said mina ukuthi I want to buy a house. Bese wathini uZanele? Hey bo, I'm like uZanele manje, Zanele is the twin bekakhulumela uPhumzile. Mara uPhumzile to a daughter is bad mouthing, not bad mouthing, but it looks like uZanele kahle kahle uzincengele kuPhumzile, mara it doesn't look like that ncengering is reciprocated. Again, then uTumo says, nama, like angifuni uzingena lezi ndaba, I don't want to ngena these matters and whatnot. And then uPhumzile says, mara like umzwile angithi umzwile ukuthi uZanele uthe mina ngiyothenga indlu mhla ngina 50. And then I'm just like, these sisters, net drama yabo. And then Utumo says, so when do you feel like your sisters and everyone ekhaya is against you? Phumzile says, not really. I don't feel like they are all against me. But when people have a family house together and they are staying there, they share responsibilities. But Mina, I feel like everything is falling on my shoulders. Like I don't see ukuthi abanye benzani ngemali yabo. And then uTumo says, yazi uZanele futhi yena she goes to the gym every day. Yeah. I was like, I was waiting for this chance because there's no way as a mother, guys, you are speaking bad about your siblings, even if it's the truth. you are speaking bad about your siblings to your child and your child won't father because ingane izokuzwela as umawayo. So uDumo, when she was like, no, angifuni uzingena, I later on beyangawazi uzibamba, guys. She's busy saying ukuthi yazi uZanele, she goes to the gym every day. Like iyangimangaza mina leyo nto ma. Phumzile says yes, vele uya jimini every day, mara she can't even afford afford nensipho that time. Afford iVaseline, akakwazi afford iVaseline or anything, but she goes to the gym every day. Mara like how does she go to the gym and afford the next? Like trying to say it's a jimin, guys, like you pay a monthly subscription fee. Let's say she can pay that, but she can't even buy herself soap. So uPhumzile is basically saying, "Uthi loyana uZanele uphila ngami." I'm just like, maybe that's why uZanele felt the need that she needed to stand up for uPhumzile because uPhumzile is doing everything in the house. Now I kind of got to do with like, maybe there's that element, you guys, and maybe uZandile was not wrong in saying with wena, you keep quiet even when umuntu wrong. Even when uPhumzile is wrong, you keep quiet because you always want to seem like the peacemaker. I get uDumo goes on to add ukuthi neskaftini akasafoti neskaftini. I'm just like, Dumo, yo. Anyway, and then the mother's like, next, like, uphila mahala nje. Like, base home kahle kahle labantu. Angithe home, uphila mahala. So, Phumzile is like, base home kahle kahle labantu. And then, uDumo then also ukuthi uShubi-ke uzomtshela ukuthi you bought a house na. So uShubi is uPhumzile's second born, and uPhumzile says she can't tell uShubi, her second born, that she bought a house because the second born is best friends no Zanele, you guys. I'm just like, this sibling rivalry, guys, and you know what's the scary thing? This is the reality. A lot of people can relate with this that's happening with these Matsai sisters. Mara, uPhumzile says she doesn't feel like she's burdening uDumo by telling her about these things because most of the time uDumo is the one who starts these conversations and she feels like uDumo is mature. Guys, no matter how much you feel like your child is mature, I don't think that's a safe thing to do. But who am I to speak? I don't have a big family like that. Then we see Zandile, Zandile, the outspoken twin. She's at home, uzolanda uBusi and uZanele to go to the gym. Mara before she comes in the house, she comes in the gate and she's like, Busi Zanele ngindilindile, and she's standing outside. Then uZanele, her twin, comes out and then they're waiting for uBusi. So anyway, they're speaking outside and uZanele is like, listen, I have a problem, Nobusi Pela. The reason why I actually want us to go to the gym, I want Mina Nobusi, siye Jimin when usale, just go and hang out with our mother because I need to have a conversation with her. Pena uBusi comes home with bruises, like uyashaiwa uBusi by her boyfriend. uZandile says ukuthi hayi phela I heard and I decided to call the guy. Mengimfonela uguy. Uguy's like, hi Sinwile, it was nothing major. In sozilungisa izinto zabo and whatnot. Then uZanele is like, even if we talk to this guy, like we are pinned, like he does the same thing. And our sister comes back with marks. She comes back with the kids in the AMs because this man is hitting her. And you know what, guys? It made me think. You know, if ukulele kasinem, there's this notion yokuthi if awunandoda in a yard, people don't respect the family. And I'm starting to think, could it be that this guy is taking advantage of uBusi and her family because there's no brother, Agna Malume, that's standing up for them? Because when there's a brother or there's a man, guys, there's no man who will continue beating up his girlfriend while there's a brother or there's a father who can go and talk to them or threaten them, or I don't know. So I feel like, guys, I don't know. I kind of understand why these ladies keep saying which they hurt, which Umalume did not step up, because look at what's happening, Nobusi, guys. How many times these sisters have been speaking with Ukai Kotagezwa? Hey, Cam. So-ke uZanele then says ukuthi mina ngifuna ukukhuluma naye because uBusi, she doesn't have discipline. She keeps going back to the sky. And bathi guys ukuthi uBusi, she protects this guy. The moment osisi bakhe say ukuthi why ungambophise avela kwade athi hayi phumana endabeni zami ini and whatnot, she doesn't want to get the guy arrested. I get fine. Ubusi and Uzanele, they go to the gym, guys. There's boxing session there where they are boxing and whatnot. So they take a break and Uzanele says, listen, I brought you here so that you can learn which was defending now. I'm not saying what he hit the guy back, but you need to learn how to defend yourself. She goes on to say, Manje, you have fresh marks on your back. Sometimes sometimes it's your thigh, it's your arm, but every time you're coming back, Nama bruises muya from your boyfriend's house. She goes on to say, what about your kids? You're dating a monster and when I born you loco. I get Ubusi then says, guys, in a diary session, Zanele, she once had a boyfriend. Boyfriend bengamenzeli next. That boyfriend was not doing anything for her. But Zanele yena she held on. So she's basically saying Ubusi is saying Zanele akekho ngcono ngami, like akekho ngcono kunami. She's not. Basically mina naye like we siyafana ukuthi sidlala abafana, the both of us. Akekho ngcono phakathi kwethu. I was so surprised. I'm like, Busi, you can't compare those situations. Uzanele was not being beaten by her boyfriend. Zanele continues to say, Ute izona ukuthi uyamsaba, utshala kanjani nomuntu omsabayo, and and Ubusi is just looking at her, like crossing her arms, and like you can see ukuthi ngena ngalana iphuma the other side. Ubusi says ukuthi like when it starts off with an abusive partner, like mawuqala in a relationship, these people are fine. Then mawuhamba isikhathi, they turn into an animal. And nami ngiyazitshela ukuthi maybe it's better ukuthi ngihlale nalesi silwane. What if ngiyaphumela ngaphandle and find someone else kanti lesa silwane siworse? So Ubusi is staying with the guy. She's staying with the boyfriend, but she keeps coming home because the guy keeps hitting her. So Zanele's like, listen, I want you to be a kaya, when a space kaya, when a camera that's empty, when a garage, please come back home. What thinking I have with you when the reason why I'm buyele kaya is ubuti aufunu control. So she's asking Ubusi, you've been out or like you moved out 3 years ago. How is life going for you now that you've moved out? And Ubusi's honest, she's like, listen, nothing is going right. So I don't know why she's still staying there with the boy, with the time. Then Zanele goes on to say, Uguti, your son does not sleep at night. He says Uguti akakhona ukulala because he must protect his mother. What if uyavuka and then when like ufile or something like that? That time, guys, that's a 10-year-old boy. Imagine. And Zanele's like, where must this child take the time Uguti concentrate esikolweni when in his mind the only thing he's thinking about is protecting his mother? So please, like, aluphume kulo mfana, love yourself, ingane zakho. We won't even be able to give your child the same type of love that you give them. Then Ubusi is like, yes, to be honest, so I'm like, the reason why I love this guy is because yangiphi imali. And then Uzanele is like, when the child didn't go to creche for 4 months. Ubusi is like, awuyangiphi imali yokukera. Uzanele is like, Busi uyingane wena that ufuna imali yokukera. Guys, yini imali yokukera, and how much is imali yokukera that she's going to talk about yangiphi imali? When the child can go 4 months without creche. So anyway, in a diary session, Ubusi says, listen, I am grateful that Uzanele takes care of my child. Kodwa, mina phela ekhaya ngiyayithenga igrocer. I buy groceries, so Uzanele udla ngami nje ubhushwa yimi endlini. Guys, I'm like, that is the petty girl of being the sibling ongasebenzi, being the sibling that decides to stay at home. I get it why other siblings, they would choose to go and struggle emkhukhwini than ukuthi babuyele ekhaya. Because did not uPhumzile say that about Uzanele, guys? She said about Uzanele ukuthi Uzanele she umthengela insipho, she buys everything. Now Ubusi othi Uzanele udla ngami, guys. That was so sad. And I don't know how Zanele feels rewatching that, guys. But as siblings, it's a sad thing to say. And it's a very painful thing to say. But anyway, guys, let's park it there. You tell me your thoughts. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.